Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy Danny here at TDFX. Now we are breaking down this trade I took, but basically it didn't go in my favor. Obviously, I want to try and be transparent as possible on this journey. So I'm going to show you what happened. So, like I said, from the past two videos, if you haven't seen them, go have a look. I think you'll find them interesting. We're still on the bullish bias because we had this close above this daily OB, tested this OB, and remained above this OB. And I also took a trade on this day, which was successful. Yeah, a successful trade was made on this day. Go check that video out in the previous video. And then we're still on here, still in the bullish bias. So what I'm going to be looking to do now is go to the 15-minute search for opportunities on this day. So I'll show you what happened. So I was looking along, and I'm looking for a situation where a 15-minute OB is formed, and then I'm looking for a break of that OB and then a trade back into it. I'll go down to the 1 minute and then find an opportunity. So right here, this is where one opportunity would come, and this is where this trade, this is where it shows the importance of being very patient and having good, strong discipline and mindset when it comes to trading. Okay, so we had this here. Finally had the break here. I was waiting for this to come back and test this. Did not. Still did not. Still did not. Still did not. Look at that. Look at the distance. I was waiting this whole time, right? Waiting to see if price would come back. Look how long it took for price to come back to this point. So from that break all the way till this candle, nearly 3 hours. That was 2 hours and 45 minutes. Almost 3 hours just to see some form of trade opportunity come back to this level. That's why you have to be very patient and not get tempted to try and find some opportunity up here or whatever, because you're too impatient too impatient to wait for price to come back to your level that you wanted to see a trade into. So now that we see this dropping down to the 1 minute, I was looking to see some kind of 1 minute OB formation. So if I had a break above and close above this level, that would have been my entry. Stop loss would have been here for literally about 5 pips. That's really good. So over here, that is, yeah, not got quite the break and close yet. Not yet. Still not yet. Still not yet. Still not yet. Still not yet. Okay, here's one. Another area that I could potentially enter. That's what I'll be looking for. Still not got no break yet. Okay. Right, so we haven't got a break of this, but because I saw this forming, I would also like to get in here and still put my stop loss below here, because look at that, mate, 3.7 pips. You can't get much better than that in terms of a good spot to get in. Look at that. So look at that. Even just to here, yeah, it's 4.49 risk to reward ratio. I'm pretty sure that's why I put my TP. I didn't put it all the way up here. Look at that, 6.19 risk to reward ratio just from here. That's not very much distance, guys. Look. I mean, it kind of is, but when you're looking at here, it's literally just there to there. Obviously, when you go on higher time frames, people are looking for price. When you're doing swing trading, you're looking for price to go all the way up here, but it might not necessarily get to that point. Look at that. If you can just get there to there, it's quite doable. That would have been a very nice 6% you could make on that. But I'm pretty sure, just to take it nice and easy, I had my TP set here with my entry looking for it to come back to this level, this 1 minute OB looking level, and then enter. Okay, where did I enter now? Did I enter there or here? I'm not even sure. There's a potentially I may have entered here. Potentially may have entered here. I think my stop loss was here. I didn't get in this low because I didn't want to risk it touching this and then going away from me. I believe I entered here, and then my stop loss would have been around down here. So what happened? Traded in, almost immediate feedback, right? I don't think I had moved my stop to break even yet. I would want to see it get around this level before I do it. Coming down here, obviously prices can't even speak. Price is playing around a little bit. This is where sometimes your patience and discipline needs to come in. Even though you saw your initial entry take place and it starts to come down, you might start to get nervous and start to think, oh, what's going on? The trade's going to go wrong. Even if it did, look at that, 3.6 pips. As long as you don't risk too much, that could be a very drop in the ocean in terms of what your balance could be. So even if it did hit my stop loss at this point, it would have been fine because we have very good risk management. But it still hasn't hit my stop yet. It's going further towards the stop. Okay, not yet. Okay, now we're getting a bit of reversal. very big strong bullish candle right here, and then price starts to move significantly. Okay, I don't believe I've moved my stop loss at this point, or maybe I had, and it might have come a bit here and then it's gone up. At this point, I believe my stop loss is down here, so it's protected. So if price reverses on me, I will be protected. So what actually did happen, I told you this trade didn't actually work out. So my trade is protected at this point. Look at that, it's significant movement, but my TP is over here. The reason why I don't always use a trailing stop is because sometimes it might reverse, only give me about maybe 1%, 2% back, and then continue. And if I keep on doing that, it's like my wins aren't really outweighing my gains if I do it that way. So that's why I didn't have my stop loss moved up. It was protected, but price is here. So what happens now? Price very strongly starts to reverse. Boom, comes all the way down, takes me out right here. And the very annoying thing that actually happened, but obviously it happens. You've got to be aware that these things might happen. You've got to stick to your strategy, stay patient, and just wait for any other opportunity. And if it doesn't go in your favor, so be it. You've got great risk management, so you don't lose much if it doesn't go in your favor. So the trade did stop me out right here, but obviously it was break even, so I didn't lose anything. So there's two things that could happen now. I stop out, break even, and the trade continues to go lower, which means if I didn't protect myself, I would have lost that trade and I would have lost money as well. But what actually happens in this point, it comes right back to the area of focus that I wanted to enter at. Boom, look at that. Okay, semi-bullish candle, followed by another one and another one. Two big ass strong candles after that. No opportunity for entry. You know what I'm saying? Look what I'm looking for. I'm looking for this kind of movement. Lower low, lower high, lower low. Right here. This I could have entered here, these kind of things. Like these. You notice how you didn't get any of that here. It's just straight up bearish candles, straight up bullish candles. No opportunity. The price just flew, man. Look at that. It would have been nice if I could have got that, because price went flying, man. If it could have just given me one more opportunity for me to enter, maybe even if I had lower second charts like 30 seconds, 40 seconds, but I'm not going that low, that's too much. Price would start to get extra choppy and fickle at that point. So 1 minute is plenty. There was no opportunity for me to re-enter here, so I basically just had to watch as price just started to skyrocket. Played around a bit and then just proceeded to go. Yeah, it did reverse a little bit, but and then it eventually did come back down. But you see, you remember I said my TP would have been around here. Price only got to here, took me out, and then rose without giving me any more opportunity. Say if you was able to get back here, I don't know, maybe entered there with your stop loss at like 4 pips or something. To here, that could have been 3.3 to where that got 4, but whatever. Price, if your TP was there, you would have took profit. If it was there, price would have eventually reversed on you anyway and took you out also. I didn't take any more trades after this point. Yeah, price just kind of started going bearish, and it did trade back into the daily OB, which is an opportunity for another day. But yeah, that's basically what happened. It's just the importance of number one, patience, having good risk management, and discipline, making sure that you don't make any rash decisions and just wait for another opportunity. But yeah, guys, if you found this video valuable, please check out some of my other ones or stay tuned. I've just started this channel, but I think you're gonna like it, so jump on board. Guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.